So I make over $100,000 every single month. And I'm only promoting one link, but that one link promotes multiple affiliate programs. Programs like ClickFunnels, which pay me every single month, almost $5,000 a month here, monthly reoccurring income. Another program like TubeBuddy that pays me every single month. And programs like GetResponse that also pay every single month. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to promote multiple affiliate links and get multiple affiliate income every single month, but by only promoting one system and one link. I promise you this is gonna blow your mind, and I'm really excited to show you exactly how I built a $100,000 per month business from scratch. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and eventually leave your 9-to-5 job. Guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job. I started my online business, and within 9 months of starting my business, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated. And the purpose of this channel is to help you do the same thing. If you're interested in financial and time freedom, please subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the way I'm able to promote multiple products is with something called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And I'm gonna explain exactly how it works, but I want you to understand this one thing, okay? You need to focus on one main core product that you're promoting. And with that main core product, then you could promote multiple products. Now, what most affiliates do wrong is they obviously want to sell multiple affiliate products, but they go about it the wrong way. The way I teach the affiliate stacking ecosystem is to pick one core product and then pick supporting products to support that main core product. I'm gonna explain exactly how, but more importantly, I'm gonna give you some tools and some resources to help you get off the ground as soon as possible. Okay guys, so this is the affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is literally the most powerful thing on the planet when it comes to affiliate marketing, because now you're doing affiliate marketing the right way instead of just promoting a bunch of different random products. Now, for example, let's just say you wanna promote a main core product, right? Let's just say a pet product, right? Let's just say you wanna teach people how to do dog training, right? So let's just say this is a dog training program, okay? Let's just say that's your main core offer here, okay? So if that's your main core offer, you know, that's gonna be what you build your whole business and brand around, okay? Now, the supporting offers is where you make a lot of your reoccurring passive income, okay? So, you know, let's just say you have a dog training course that you promote, right? Then you wanna find supporting offers that help people with that main core thing, right? So the main core thing is helping people train their dogs, you know, let's just say their dogs have never been trained or whatever it is, right? So what kind of things will you need? Well, maybe you need treats, right? So this is dog treats or something, right? I'm not in this niche, guys, so I have no idea. I'm just doing this off the top of my head. But maybe you need dog treats to be able to help your dog through training, right? The next thing is maybe you need some dog tools, right? Or let's just say some sort of dog tools or something, right? You need something to help them with the actual training. The next thing is maybe a software, an app, right? So maybe there's a dog training app that helps you track the progress of your dog training, right? So you guys can kind of see how this works, right? That's basically how I would do it if I were in the dog training niche, right? I would find the main core product, but then on the back end, I find a bunch of supporting products to help the customer with the main core thing that they want. So that's step number one, guys, is finding the core offer and the supporting offers to go with it. Now, step two is we need to start building our email list. This is our main asset in our online business. So let me show you as an example. If we go back to the affiliate stacking ecosystem, the main goal of this whole thing is to build an email list so we can go ahead and follow up with our customers, okay? Now, this is the main core thing that I teach with the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because now you can go ahead and follow up with your customers, but more importantly, we can go ahead and build our business and our brand using the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, one thing that's really important to understand is the way you build an email list is by giving something out for free. And this is where I think you're really gonna like, because at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you guys some really cool resources to help you grow your business, but more importantly, help you build your email list. But for example, let's just say you're selling a dog training as an affiliate, right? Well, first of all, we need to get people on our email list, right? So this opt-in page, right, which is basically step number one, right? We're sending customers to this opt-in page, well, we need to give something in exchange for their email, usually something for free. It could also be known as a lead magnet, okay? So for example, if we're doing like selling a dog training course, then maybe we give out like a dog training ebook or some checklist, right? So we want to give out like a free lead magnet, okay? So a free lead magnet, okay? So I'm gonna put free lead magnet for LM, okay? Now, the goal and the purpose of this lead magnet is to get people to give us their email. In exchange, we give them that free thing. Now, with that, we can then promote the main core product, okay? Now, I want to give you an example of how I do it in my business. That way it makes a lot more sense. So this is an ebook that I created called The 7 Steps to Become a Super Affiliate. Now, I give this away in exchange for an email, okay? And when I go ahead and do this, I go ahead and grab their email and I can go ahead and follow up with that customer. Now this is where it becomes really powerful. Within this actual free ebook, I can then go ahead and promote multiple products. And within this ebook, I can promote products like ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, Bluehost, TubeBuddy, GetResponse, Freedom Breakthrough, and the 3-Day Challenge. And I'll go ahead and show you an example of this in this free ebook that I give out. Okay, so as you can see, obviously there's a ton of value in this book. It tells my story on how I became an affiliate marketer, but then I give people step by step on how they can get started. Now, within this ebook, I go and promote multiple products here. So you can see there's an affiliate link here, an affiliate link here, and it goes on and on with multiple products, right? You can see the ClickFunnels affiliate program here. And this is how I'm able to promote multiple programs, because I give this free thing out, but then I can promote multiple links within this free ebook. Now, if I continue on, you can see that I have links after links after links. But more importantly, there's content or there's value that go with those links. I don't just promote random links. And that's how I'm able to, get monthly recurring commissions like ClickFunnels, with TubeBuddy, GetResponse, and again, over $300,000 in the last 3 months, right? Which is over $100 and some $1,000 per month. So now that you understand how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works, we're able to get a high ticket commission with our main core offer, but more importantly, we're able to get even more monthly reoccurring and passive income with the supporting offers, okay? And this is where it becomes really, really powerful, because we're able to build an email list and a brand around this affiliate stacking ecosystem. And as I promised, guys, I want to give you guys a resource that's going to help you build your business and your brand. The ebook I mentioned, The 7 Steps to Become a Super Affiliate, I want to give that to you, but more specifically, I want to give it to you to promote as your own. I want you to take the same book, the same funnel, and I want you to add your affiliate links in there, whether it's ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, Bluehost, TubeBuddy. I want you to use your links instead of mine, but I want you to literally copy and paste my same funnel and my same book, but I want you to build your email list and build your brand around my actual product that I created. So guys, if you want access to this book and the funnel that goes with it, I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where more importantly, I show you the skills on how to do this yourself, how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works, and how you can do this as well for yourself and be able to quit your 9-to-5 job. Within that, I also give you things like free books, free funnels that you can get up and running as soon as today. Now, my biggest thing, guys, is I want you guys to learn the skills. That way you can do this on your own. But while you're learning the skills, I want to give you the funnels. I want to give you the book. That way you can start earning right away. But then on the back end, you're learning the skills so you can do this yourself in the future. Now, guys, I want you to understand, I started my business in May of 2019. Within 9 months of starting my online business, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. And that's because I implemented the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And I can promise you guys this, there's no one on YouTube or in the marketplace teaching this exact same thing. When I first started, everyone was teaching to promote multiple links and just spam your links out there. But what I'm teaching is totally different. It gives your customers the results they want, and it gives them the tools that they need to get that main core result. And it doesn't matter whether you're promoting a make money online product, a crypto product, a health product, a dog training product, it doesn't matter. The affiliate stacking ecosystem works for every niche, anytime, anywhere. So if you guys want to learn exactly how it works, and if you want to copy and paste my book and my funnel that have made me literally $100,000 per month to this day, Then go to the link in my bio, guys. I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm going to walk you through step by step, click by click, how you can get started, but more importantly, learn the skills that you need to get started. So guys, I hope this video was of value, and I hope that you guys take action on this, but more importantly, start building your business and brand so you can get to the point where you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.